Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we have a new unboxing. As you can see, we're gonna take these new tires that we're gonna put in the Kodiak 450. And yeah, but first, before we start doing the unboxing, I want to show you guys the way they pack these tires. It's pretty bad. Yeah, as you can see right here, this box was open like that when they left it on my front yard. This one is a little bit better, but I mean, I don't know why they cannot put like a, I don't know, maybe a small piece of wood, you know, make like a kind of like a little box, and then put the tires and then tie them up, or put something. I mean, it's a lot of money that you're spending in these tires, but you can see the way they send them to you. I mean, if Kenda ever watched this video, I mean, they need to talk to their dealers, because I mean, look how it looks. You know, this right here is pretty bad. This one is okay. I mean, it's not that good, it's not that bad, but you know, it's all right. But yeah, okay, after my ramble, or whatever you want to call it, we're gonna unbox these tires. We got 4 tires, 2 front tires, 2 rear tires for the Kodiak 450. Because well, if you watch our videos, you will already know that we got a flat on the Kodiak 450. And yeah, you're gonna see how we're gonna install these tires, and you're also gonna see the review for the Kodiak 450 that is coming soon, because yeah, we had a problem with the tires. But yeah, we're gonna talk about that later. So right now, I'm gonna put the camera right here. I'm gonna do this in one take, so I hope it looks good. I'm gonna do this in one take, so yeah, I hope it looks good. Okay, so first we're gonna take the I would say these are the front tires right here. Okay, so here's the first one. This is our unboxing. Once again, we're gonna do this. We're gonna put this in the playlist for unboxings. Alright, so here are the front tires. Let me take this out of here. This is the same size of the ones that come in the Kodiak 450. These ones are 25, 8, 12. Okay, so this is the front tires. They look beefy. I'm gonna show it to you. I'm gonna bring the phone or the camera close and show it to you. But first, we're gonna take the rear ones. And like I said, this box looks a little bit better. It's not that better, but it looks a little bit better. I mean, it's not that good, but at least it looks a little, you know. And I might I forgot the name of the place where I bought these. I bought them on Amazon, but you know, they it's a different place. I mean, a different dealer. I might have it right here. So I'll let them know in the video how bad they pack the tires. So the name of the place is, I'm sorry about this, I really don't like to talk bad about, you know, companies, but Mass Depot, MASS Depot. Okay, so here it is. You can see Mass Depot. This is the place where I bought these tires from. Well, actually, I bought them from Amazon, but that's the dealer that sent it to me. And yeah, I really don't like to talk about bad things about them. If they're watching this video, I mean, they need to do a better job shipping the tires. I mean, they can charge shipping. I mean, the tires are already expensive, so, but they can charge, I don't know, maybe like $10 or $15 shipping and do a better job. But anyways, I'm gonna show you the tires close so you can see them. These are the rear ones, and these are the front ones. So They look pretty cool. They look pretty beefy. These ones, I forgot to tell you, this is our 25, 10, 12. And like I said, this is 25, 8, 12. Okay, so let me show you close. Okay, let me give you a close shot of the tires. Man, they look good. They look awesome. I bet that they're gonna look amazing in the Kodiak 450, right? All right, here they are. These are the front ones. Those are the back ones. And yeah, thank you for watching this unboxing. We're gonna be installing these tires pretty soon, maybe this week or maybe next week, because I'm waiting for something else for the tires that we're gonna put in the tires too. I'm gonna show it to you when they get here. I'm going to do another unboxing and you will see what that is. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, because yeah. Oh, I think I forgot to tell you, these are the Bear Claw. Sorry about that. These are the Kenda Bear Claw HTR. Well, you might have seen it in the title of the video already. So yeah, these are the Bear Claw HTR. Okay, I heard a good review about these tires, and yeah, if you want more info about these tires, let me know in the comments. I can answer any question you have. And yeah, they look pretty cool. These tires look pretty cool. They look like they're gonna last a long time. We'll see. So yeah, that's pretty much it on this video. So thank you for watching, guys, and we'll see you in the next video. Yep, they look awesome. Another shot from here. Woo, they're big. They are the same tires that the Kodiak 450 has, but they look big. Well, the ones that it has already, they look big too. So, all right, I'm out.